it's day 5 of our Tuscany adventure. We've had a very relaxing day today. We've gone sunbathing, we've read some books, listened to some music, chilled out. We've been in the swimming pool, which has been amazing. So tonight we have a private chef come and cook for us. So she set the table, which looks really nice. So there's 9 of us for dinner. So that's all set there. We've got some really good wines. This wine is from one of the vineyards we visited yesterday. So that should be really, really nice. And then dinner is being served at 8 o'clock. We've got some nice romantic music to listen to. So I think it's going to be a really fun evening. So let's just see what happens.
It's early one.
So we're here for the party. Everyone's getting ready. Hey Phil. Woo! Table is amazing. Hey Abba. You're pretty in pink. Fabulous. Look at all that money she has. She's rich. She's rich.
Young money, cash money. I have an extra though. I'll find it. A nail file. We're struggling.
So the starters. Does this starter? Is this the aubergine?
This is aubergine.
This is
Sorry,
aubergine.
nobody knows the menu except for me.
Oh, okay.
No.
This is aubergine.
Can we have with the menu, Abba?
I can't remember it.
We can't remember the menu.
This is aubergine.
It's the usual chaos, as you know.
Which is
It's aubergine. We're getting there's aubergine, some salad and bread. Then there's a cacio e pepe for the first. Then there's stuffed cabbage beef, something with egg, something more mortadella. And then we've got an orange cake or an olive oil cake. Right?
Fabulous.
I said olive oil.
So we think we know what we're eating, but who knows what may turn up. It'll all be good fun.
It'll be great.
How's everyone? Is everyone excited?
You guys are gonna love it.
We're gonna love it, guys.
The table looks great, and thank you, Nina and John, for the wine.
So the first course was really, really good. Very good. We've had 2 portions.
It was like this perfect, salty, creamy. Man, that was delicious. And they brought us this bread that was really yummy. And then they actually had time to stick.
How's the food, everyone?
Stunning.
Good. Everyone happy?
Bellissimo.
Bellissimo, eh? Bellissimo. What? Delicious. Phil, what's your, come on, what's your word of the day?
So what is your second job again? I forget. You just
munchies.
Munchie.
Excellent.
So the second course is here.
On the way back.
You know what we have, Phil?
Cacio pepe.
What?
Cacio pepe.
Cacio pepe. And what's that? Cheese, pepper, pasta. Looks very nice.
You're aggressive.
Enjoy, everyone. Enjoy. Here's our chef, Rosanna. Rosanna. How's the second course, guys? Really good.
Pasta very fresh.
Very.
Very, a kick of pepper. Very spicy.
Very peppery.
Very peppery. Spice flavor.
It was good. Nice amount, not too big a portion, but not too small. Not you're not stuffed, but you enjoyed the amount we have. So course 3 has arrived, and what is it, Abba?
Now
Do
we
you know?
understand
It's a beef,
that there's emotional
rolled,
dominance in these situations,
Like
but
there's
back
cabbage
then-
and egg inside.
Okay, and what have you got?
I believe it's stuffed peppers because I'm vegetarian.
Excellent, very nice. And we've got some spinach to go with it as well. So again, it all looks really good, and it smells amazing.
Cool biologically though, like it is.
So final course is here. What have we got, Abba? Tell us.
It's an orange cake. It was supposed to be an olive oil cake, but they didn't understand my request.
Olive, orange oil.
In my opinion.
So wow, look at this. This looks awesome. The smell, you can't smell it, but it smells amazing. Phil's looking forward to this.
Wow, this is amazing.
Nina, what's the review? 10 out of 10?
Bellissima. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Excellent.
Orange cake is my favorite.
There you go.
You need to tell it.
Cause after the shit, I was a hoe. More money, I want your money. I want more money, I want your money. More money, I want your money. I want more money, I want your money. If I want fuck, I'm gon' fuck 'em. But if he ain't got fuck, I won't cup 'em. Spend 100 on me, it ain't nothing. Back to the point. Is it some cash in this place? If it is,
Hey, where's my donuts? Where's my donuts? Where's my tip?
Good afternoon. It's the last full day of our Tuscan adventure. Say hello, Daniel. Hello. So today we've been to Siena this morning, which is an amazing, beautiful Italian city. But unfortunately, I forgot the camera, so I couldn't vlog it. But well worth a visit there if you are in Tuscany. It's amazing, beautiful, beautiful, full of history, nice people. Yeah, really, really good. So we're just walking through Sarteano. You can see it's very quiet, and the shops have just reopened after siesta. So we're just going to try and walk up to, there is a big castle, which we're going to walk up to and see what that's like. I don't know if we can get in or if it's closed, but there should be some nice views we can have a look at. So Daniel, have you had a good week in Sarteano?
Sarteano was very good, very peaceful. We had a great time with friends, good food. Definitely recommend.
Excellent. It's very hot up here. There's somebody I know up there as well. It seems this is the entrance to the castle. So it's very steep. Oh, I'm knackered already. We've done a lot of climbing today. Siena is very hilly too. Everywhere's uphill, but we will make it. The bells, the bells! And we have arrived at the top. Well, that's lovely. See the castle there. I think there's a small fee to get in. You know, it helps maintain the building. I think that's okay. I'm the king of the castle, and that's a dirty rascal. A bad bunny anyway. Oh look, the drawbridge is down. It's Castle Grayskull. I have the power. Do you have the power? You're more like Skeletor.
Be scared of me then.
So look at this view. This is something else. Fabulous. So we're in the castle. So it was €4 each to come in. It's very dark and scary. It's an empty room. So we're on the second floor now. We've come outside. You can see all the castle walls, turrets, etc. And the rather green views of the Tuscan hills.
What's this?
It's only high up now. So we climbed to the top of the turret. So we're even higher up now and get a different view. So this is Sarteano, you can see down here and across here. But wow, not bad, not bad. And very quiet. It's very peaceful up here. There's no noise apart from me yapping. The bells, the bells! So we've made it to the top of the tower. Hooray, 4 floors. And we're really high up. Amazing, you know, it's definitely worth a visit if you're in Sarteano. Just to come and have a look, spend half an hour just mooching around and seeing, you know, the sights. You get a 360-degree view at some point. So yeah, very impressive. You like the castle, Daniel?
Yes, very good.